What's up YouTube, BMR here, and this is the third and final installment in the SP chassis conversion series. As you can see, I have the car fully assembled over here, and I wanted to just give you guys a quick little update on it, show you guys what it looks like, because I ran into a couple issues, and a couple of them were me being stupid and hard-headed, a couple of them were due to fitment, and one of them is just something I don't even know what's going on. So let's go down to the first issue I had with it was that since this rear differential doesn't indicate what side you should put your differential, which direction, I accidentally installed it backwards. I had it the opposite direction. So basically this gear was on this side and it was just causing this rear end to be really tight and causing the gears to bind. So I realized that, flipped it over and dropped it back in, and now it's pretty smooth back here. Everything's running fine. Everything's doing pretty good. Gears aren't binding, so I'm happy with that. The other thing I noticed was with this rear end, just because I guess it's PN Racing and it's not Kyosho made, it's just a tiny bit, like a half a millimeter tighter to the actual chassis. So what that did was it made my spur gear, the part that actually sticks out and makes contact with this part of my differential, it made it so it was actually rubbing on my differential. So to remedy that, I just pulled off my rear end and I took a file and then I turned the car on and let the spur gear spin, and I just put the file to the spur gear and took off a little bit. So now there's like maybe a quarter of a millimeter clearance between or maybe half a millimeter clearance between the spur gear and the actual differential gear. So they're not making contact anymore, but they are super close together. Anyways, I also have a brand new set of DS Racing LF4 tires on this car because we went ahead and we've modified the front end. I've went and put 1 degree camber knuckles up front. You can see the slight tilt to the wheels, and I went ahead and put fresh wheels with these camber knuckles because I want to check the tire wear. I want to make sure that the tires aren't wearing like just in the middle here. I want to make sure that the car it's staying fully flat in the corner when it's, you know, transitioning and turning, the weight's getting distributed. I'm hoping this just 1 degree of camber will help the car stay a little flat in the corner, and hopefully the tire wear will be perfect. We'll see how it goes. I'll monitor it because with the 0 degrees I was actually honestly getting perfect tire wear. I don't think a camber adjustment is needed for drifting, especially on a smooth flat surface, but we'll see. We'll see. Looks like this arm's sitting a little lower than this arm. Kind of weird. I don't know. I still have to play around with this front end. All these parts are brand new. These suspension arms are brand new. Everything's going to need to wear in a bit. Yep, so anyways, this is what the build's looking like. I'm going to give you guys a full review, basically, or an update, basically a build version 3 of my car pretty soon, once I'm able to actually drive it and see how it feels with these aluminum parts in here. I love the look of this carbon fiber and this orange rear end, this sway bar, everything. It all just looks really cool. I love this car now. So anyways, let me talk a little bit about the issue that I've been experiencing. So I noticed with my car when it's here, let me just show you. It's easier to just show you guys. All right. So let me go ahead and set the car down. All right, so we have the car down. And you guys can see that I'm barely touching the throttle, right? Just enough to get the wheels spinning. When I turn the wheels this direction, no issue. When we go this way, they almost stop, right? So, got the wheels going. This direction, fine. This direction, the wheels almost want to stop. So something's binding. Something's going on my front end when I turn the wheels this direction. Well, servo's making a lot of noise, but basically it's when it goes, for some reason, I guess it's either my swing arm or something in my differential. I'm not quite sure. I'm gonna have to pull this plate off and really look in there to investigate what's going on before I drive the car. So anyways, the next video I do for an update on this build, I'll go ahead and give you guys an update to see if I've troubleshot this. If not, guys, let me know what you think is causing my front end to basically make it so that when I have my wheels going, completely locks up. I mean, you can hear how loud that is. So either way, something's going on this side. I'm gonna have to take a look at that, but I wanted to give you guys a quick look at the car, and it looks beautiful. I think this thing's awesome. So we have the stiffer springs in the rear, we have softer springs in the front, we have a sway bar in the rear. We completely changed the characteristics of this car, I think. So really looking forward to it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So anyways, Hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys have a great day. If you guys are enjoying my videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. It'll help me out a lot. It'll help me immensely. That's my cat meowing in the background. He's hungry. He wants breakfast. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and see you next time.